Hi, and welcome to another StudioX video. Today, we are going to see how to run your automation projects from UiPath Assistant. So as we know that one of the options to run your automation project is from the UiPath StudioX tool itself. So here from the run button, you can run it, but how you can actually run it from the UiPath Assistant, which is actually an interface that helps you to run your all the projects at one place, right? So let's go to the start and let's open the UiPath Assistant app. And there we go. Let's set up the UiPath Assistant and give robot a name. Let's say Superbot. And you can choose your profile. So let's choose any of the profile and get started. Once you get started, now you can see there are two processes already. If you know, we had updated or we had already published this particular process in my workspace earlier. So if you go and see in the My Workspace folder, there is already one package or there is one already a process known as my first automation, which we have already published in the orchestrator. That is why it is able to reflect it here in the UiPath Assistant. So all your published process in the orchestrator will be accessed here. Now you can see there is awaiting install, right? It is because we have not yet installed it into the UiPath Assistant. So let's click on the more actions and let's say install. Once you click on the install, you will see that these status will be keep changing, right? So it may take a while to run it or to install it. So yeah, it has now successfully installed. So now you can run your automation project from here itself. You can see there is a run button or you can see the start button, which you can use to run it. So let me go and click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, waiting for the execution, job start processing, right? Now, if you see the bot has started, and there you go. This is my first published project, right? So this is what our process was. We have one message box, and then we have one more message box, right? So we have not actually used this functionality. We have published a project to the orchestrator and then we install it to the UiPath Assistant and then we can run it from here itself. So all your published process can be here so that you can access them all at one place and run, schedule, stop them at any time. What are the other features that the UiPath Assistant gives you is let's see. So now if you go here, you can schedule or create a new reminder for your process. And if you go here, you can see to the preferences. So now this is where you can change the theme of your assistant or you can create a keyboard shortcuts for your process to start or stop, right? So if you do not want to come to the assistant and manually press the run button, you can actually use the keyboard shortcuts. So you can see my first automation and let's add a shortcut. So if I press any functions in my keyboard, it will take that up. So let's say Control or the Alt A is what I have pressed, right? So whenever I press Control A in my keyboard, it's going to start this particular process, right? In the orchestrator settings, if anytime you want to change your service URL or any information of your orchestrator, you can come and change it here, right? So let's just check it and let me press Control A. So there we go. We have pressed the Control and A button and let's see if the bot starts. Yes, you can see the taskbar that the bot has started. So this is my first published project message box and then the second message box will pop up. Okay. So now you can see these are the features you can use from the UiPath Assistant. There are a few more, right? If you go back to the home and as you can see, if I just expand this, we can add your favorite or you can add your favorite processes here. So this time we only have one, but suppose if you are running multiple process or the multiple automation projects, you can actually pin up your favorite ones here. So let's go here and pin it up and let's say pin to Launchpad and then you can see it here. You can name it as my favorite and suppose this is one from your finance department. So you can just say from your finance department, right? So similarly, you can create more sections for as per your department or as per your area. So you can just make it customized and you can just pin up your favorite processes here. And this is how you can make use of the UiPath Assistant again. That's how you can use the assistant. So without going to the Studio X screen, just make sure that you go to the assistant or you use the keyboard shortcut and you are ready to run any of your automation projects. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.